Hi everyone, my name is Sam Cabriales here again. Uh, Today I want to talk about keeping records for your business. So the question I always get is how long do I keep records for the IRS or for the state? For the state, it depends where you have your business, where you reside, for your personal taxes as well. For the IRS itself, it's based out of the circumstances. So for example, you if you just file a tax return and everything's the way it should be, you have an underreported income by mistake or anything, then it should be 3 years. If income is erroneously underreported by 25% or more, then you would do 6 years. And if there's any indication of fraud, the IRS normally will require for the records to be kept for 6 years. So as far as what other records should I keep, right? So, or what kind of records should I keep? You can keep for your business, you'll keep like receipts, invoices, canceled check stubs, bank statement copies. You always want to make sure that you have things squared out to prove your deductions, to prove transactions. You also need to keep payroll records for your employees. Those I recommend you keep them for 4 years. For the state, for the sales tax and things like that, you want to normally do 5 to 6 years. So a general practice is 7 years is a good number that encompasses all of those for records for property. Say for example, you buy a piece of real estate and you need to have records for when you sell it, right? So you would keep that for as long as you have it. That proves what you bought it for, what you put in it. Say you start building some apartments, right? You would want to have the settlement contract when you purchase the property. Then you obviously want to have receipts of the construction, bank statements, etc. You also want to keep tax forms for personal tax returns, such as 1099s, W-2s, 1099Bs, and 1099 INT. All of those forms you get in the mail. 1099 SSA for Social Security benefits, whatever the case may be of income that you receive, you definitely want to keep those forms. For, like I said, 7 years is a good number if you have a business. If you're just an individual and things are reported nice, you might want to do 3 to 4 years. As far as when can I claim a refund, right? I get that question too in relationship to this. It would be 3 years from when the return was filed or 2 years from when the tax was paid. So people sometimes will say, hey, I need to file a tax return to claim a refund, but it's been more than 3 years since they filed the tax return and more than 2 years since they pay the tax. So it's whichever is later, right? So if you just pay the taxes, you may still be able to go back and claim a refund, but it has to be 2 years from when you paid it if it's already past 3 years since the date of filing, when it was actually filed or when it was actually due. So if you have any more questions about this, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section. We'll be glad to get back to you. I once again, would like to thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.